Hello friends, welcome to last part of the chapter Human Health and Diseases. Today we will discuss about the adolescence, mental health and the addiction. Adolescence, it is a period of transition between childhood to adulthood. It includes big changes to the body. It is a phase of maturation. The teenager years are also called adolescence. This is the time for the sexual maturity. Puberty, it is a time in the life when the boy and the girl become sexually mature. It is a process that usually happen between 10 to 14 years for girls and 12 to 16 years for boys. It causes physical changes and affect boy and the girl differently. They get taller, they get the pimples on the face, their reproductive organs they increase their size and mature. In male, the voice gets deepen, armpit gets sweat, hair grows on the face, arm, legs, on chest, as well as underpits and between the legs. Let's see what are the phases and the features of adolescence. Adolescents are those people between the age group 10 to 19 years. Adolescence, it is divided into three phases: early adolescence, middle period adolescence, and the late period adolescence. In early adolescence, the age group it comes from 10 to 13 years. It can be identified by appearance of secondary sexual characters, growth it reaches up to its peak, rapid physical growth, concentrate thinking, developing body image, and the development of intense friendship. Middle period adolescence, it includes the people of the age group 15 to 17 years. It has the characteristic like development of secondary sexual characters. That is, the characters on that basis we can identify male and the female individuals externally. Those characters are secondary sexual characters. These characters they are fully developed in this period. Growth rate it is a slow down. Concrete thinking and capable of long range thinking, sense of leadership, and this age group it attract the opposite sex. The next phase of adolescence it is the late period adolescence. It includes age group 18 to 19 years. This is the period in which the childhood is completely changes into adulthood. It shows the total physical maturity, intellectual. They have high degree mental capacity. They maintain stable relationship. In adolescence, physical changes occur in boys and girls. In case of the boys, the muscle develop, shoulder becomes broad, skin becomes oily, cracking voice because of development of Adam's apple, development of pubic and the chest hair, and the genital organs, that is the reproductive organs, they fully develop. In case of the girls, development of the breast, widening of hip region, development of underarm and the pubic hair, and the enlargement of the uterus and ovaries. These all the physical changes which is observed in adolescence. As in the adolescence, reproductive organ mature and sexual desire is formed. The mature reproductive organ, in case of male, start producing the sperm, and it is released by a process called ejaculation. In case of female, menstruation start. Female gametes start developing, and the process by ovulation it get released. This all the processes it start in the adolescence in reproductive organs. Let us study about the emotional and the social changes of the adolescents. Adolescents, they establish their own identity. They have fantasy. They have daydreaming and attention-seeking behavior. They change their mood rapidly. They may conflict with the family, and they have the influence of peer group of same age, same status, and the same interest group. Let us study about the mental health or the mental illness or the mental disorders. It is the condition that affect the mood and the thinking and the behavior. It includes confusion, irritation, moodiness, frustration, nausea, less concentration, hyperactivities, and anger. It affects on the lifestyle, which form obesity, addiction, accident, and depression conditions. There are two types of the mental illness: psychosis and the neurosis. Psychosis include hallucination, disturbance in thinking process. It leads to Alzheimer's disease and the schizophrenia. Amnesis, that is the loss of memory. Anxiety, that is the fear, feeling of worry. Depression, which include the sadness and the inactivity. This all it reduces the joy of the life. The second type, it is the neurosis, which includes the illusion and the hallucination. Illusion, it is nothing but wrong interpretation or the wrong mistaken. Hallucination, it is the condition which is formed because of the drug or the intoxication or because of underlying disease. Someone sees, hear, smell, taste, or the feel the things that does not exist outside the mind. The condition is called hallucination. Now we'll study about the addiction. Addiction is physical and the mental dependent on a particular substance like alcohol, cigarette, tobacco, opioid, cocaine, nicotine, etc. Let us study about the causes of the substance abuse in adolescence. Because of insufficient parental supervision and the monitoring, because of lack of communication between the child and the parent, because of poorly defined rules, family conflicts, favorable parental attitude towards the alcohol, and the risk-taking behavior, it causes the addiction. Let us see what is the substance abuse. When the harmful use of any substance to alter the mood is called substance abuse. There are different types of drugs which alter the mood: opiates, stimulants, depressant, hallucinogens, cannabis, and tobacco. Let us study about the drug opioid. These are the drugs. They bind to receptors present in central nervous system and the receptor present in gastrointestinal tract. They are present in the form heroin, smack, or the diacetylmorphine. They are extracted from the latex of poppy plant. Latex is a milky secretion which is coming from this poppy plant or the Papaver somniferum. Opioid, it is a depressant drug. It slows down all the body activities. Next drug, it is a cannabinoids. They interact with the receptors present in the brain. Inhalation and the ingestion of these substances, it affect cardiovascular system, that is the circulatory system. It is obtained from the inflorescence of cannabis sativa. It also gives marijuana, hashish, charas, and the ganja. Cocaine, it is a drug obtained from the coca plant or Erythroxylum coca. Its intake, it causes the extreme happiness. Next category of drug, it is a hallucinogens. It is a mind expanding drugs. It causes daydreaming in which someone sees, hears, smells, tastes, or feel the things that does not exist outside their mind. Cannabis and the lysergenic acid are the hallucinogenic substances. They are extracted from the plant Atropa belladonna and the datura. They have hallucinogenic properties. Let us study about what are the causes of the addiction. The addiction, it is a cause because of family history of the addiction or the alcoholism, an abusive and the neglectful childhood, or because of mental health issue including depression, anxiety, and the bipolar disorder, exposure to drugs or the alcohol at the young age, and pressure from the family and the friends to drink or use of the drugs. Let us see what is the alcohol addiction or the alcoholism and its effect. Alcoholism, it is a dependence of alcohol. It is inability to control the drinking due to physical and emotional dependence on the alcohol. The long-term effects of the drinking, it affects on the organs, heart, lungs, liver, sexual organs, blood, brain, stomach, pancreas, intestine, muscles, and the skin, which is a cause of the disorders like memory loss, breast cancer, high blood pressure, liver damage, hepatitis, cirrhosis, and the liver cancer, bowel cancer, pancreatitis, gastritis, heart diseases, oral cancer, and the stroke. The excessive use of drugs can damage the nervous system, liver, and kidneys. The use of the drug in pregnancy period affect the growth of fetus. The certain sportsmen take the drugs like narcotics, steroids, hormones to enhance the muscle strength and the bulk and the aggressiveness in the sport. This is the misuse of the drugs. Let us see the side effects of the drugs in case of female. In female, the excessive use of the drugs, it gives the features like male, increases the aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, abnormal menstrual cycle, excessive hairs grow on the face and the body, enlargement of clitoris, that is the reproductive part, and the deepening of the voice like male. The excessive use of the drugs in case of male, it gives the side effects like acne, that is pimples, it is seen on the face, increased aggressiveness, mood swing, depression, reduction in size of testicles, that is a male reproductive organ, decreased sperm production, dysfunctioning of the kidney and the liver, breast enlargement, premature baldness, that is a hair fall, and enlargement of prostate gland. It is accessory gland which is related with male reproductive system. Let us study what are the different methods to control the drug abuse. Always remember, prevention it is better than the cure. To avoid the undue pressure, child should not be forced to perform beyond his or her capacity in studies, sports, and other activities. Education and the counseling of the child to face the problem and the stress, to accept the disappointments, failures as a part of the life. Channelize the energy of the child in sports, studies, and other constructive activities. Habits such as smoking, taking drugs, and alcohol are more likely at young stage. To control the substance abuse, the role of parents and teacher is very important. To identify the cause by proper communication with child and effective measures to control the addiction, their role is important. Student, drug addiction is a disease that destroys health and humanity. Hence, stay away from the drugs, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching this video.